Hello makers, welcome back to the AGF channel. My name is Melly, and if you're a quilter or want to learn how, you've come to the right place. Today I'll be sewing with Sharon Holland's brand new fabric collection for AGF called Everlasting. I'll be sewing up the Twisted Spools Block. There are so many great prints in this collection, so if you want to see more, make sure to check out our Everlasting fabric haul video. I honestly can't choose a favorite print from this collection, but I wanted to show off the Something Blue print with Sharon's beautiful hand-drawn florals. I also wanted to show this great red and blue ditzy floral offered in our quilting cotton, as well as our super soft knit, which is what my new dress is made out of. For more details on my dress, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. Hello quilty friends, welcome to the AGF Quilt Block collection. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below and download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To make your half square triangles, place your coordinating 4.5 inch squares from fabric C and E and fabric A and B right sides together. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the fabric with a fabric marking pen from corner to corner. Sew on each side of the line at 1/4 inch. Cut on the line you drew to reveal your half square triangles. Press your half square triangles open and cut them in half on the diagonal. You will only need 4 of each set of triangles. Make sure you have 4 triangles with fabric B on the left and fabric E on the right. Also make sure to have 4 triangles with fabric B on the left and fabric A on the right. To create your diagonal strips, subcut 8 5.5 inch strips from your width of fabric strips from fabric D. Also, subcut 4 5.5 inch strips from your width of fabric strips from fabric A and F. Lay out your 5.5 inch strips from fabric D and place your 5.5 inch strips from fabric F right sides together at a 90-degree angle. Draw a diagonal line with a fabric marking pen from the left corner to the top right corner of your strip and sew on the line you drew to create a diagonal seam. Repeat this same process with your remaining 5.5 inch strips from fabric A and D. Trim your seam allowances to 1/4 inch and press your strips open. Take 2 different triangle pieces and sew a diagonal strip unit to each triangle matching up seams. Sew your pieces together at 1/4 inch. Now sew your units together to create one of your 4 blocks needed to create this block. Fold your pieces in half to create a crease mark. Line up your crease marks and sew your pieces together at 1/4 inch. Press your pieces open and trim down your piece to 5 inches. Create 3 more blocks following the same method. To create your block, lay your pieces out following the block design. Sew your blocks into rows and sew your rows together matching up seams. And your Twisted Spools block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Our Twisted Spools block is complete. And all of this red, white, and blue has got me thinking of all the 4th of July sewing projects I want to make. So, what do you think of my dress? My dress is the Wren dress by Colette Patterns, and I sewed it up in this luscious red and blue ditzy floral print from Everlasting. I love this wrap style knit dress. It's such a comfy and throw on and run type of dress. For more fun sewing projects made with Everlasting fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric lookbook. The link will be in the description box below. Like always, thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing.